Ever wondered how to streamline your expense reports and say goodbye to the manual data entry hassle? Well, if you're an Uber user and an Expensify devotee, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into a simple yet powerful integration that can revolutionize your expense management. Let's face it, expense reports can be a real drag. From collecting receipts to meticulously filling out spreadsheets, the process can be time-consuming and prone to errors. But fear not, because with the right tools and a little know-how, you can streamline this process and reclaim your precious time. Step-by-step guide. Ensure you have the right accounts. Expensify account. Make sure you have an active Expensify account. If not, sign up for a free trial or a paid plan. Uber account. You'll need an Uber account linked to the email address associated with your Expensify account. Connect your accounts. Log into Expensify, access your Expensify account, and navigate to your profile settings. Connect to Uber. Look for the Connect to Uber option. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. Authorize access. You may be prompted to log into your Uber account to authorize Expensify to access your ride history. Review and submit expenses. Review imported expenses. Once connected, Expensify will automatically import your Uber rides into your expense report. Review and edit. Carefully review the imported expenses to ensure accuracy. You can edit or delete any unnecessary items. Add additional details. If required, add any additional details or receipts to your expense report. Submit for approval. Once you're satisfied, submit your expense report for approval. Tips and tricks. Categorize your rides. Use Expensify's categorization feature to easily identify business and personal rides. Set up Smart Waiver. Enable Smart Waiver to automatically categorize and submit your Uber rides without manual intervention. Utilize Expensify's mobile app. The Expensify mobile app allows you to snap photos of receipts and submit expenses on the go. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly connect your Uber account to Expensify and streamline your expense reporting process. No more manual data entry, no more lost receipts, and no more stress. With this powerful integration, you can save time, reduce errors, and focus on what truly matters. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.